Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hello everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, both CleanSpark and Bitfarms have posted updates for the month of March, and Bakkt Holdings has acquired Apex Crypto. But just before we get into the news, a quick reminder that if you enjoy this podcast, please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Right, so CleanSpark Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker CLSK, has released its unaudited Bitcoin mining and operations update for the month ending March 31st, 2023. Some highlights include the mining of 598 Bitcoins, 502 of which were converted for operations and growth in the month, and a currently deployed fleet of about 67,700 latest generation Bitcoin miners with a hash rate of 6.7 exahash per second. Zach Bradford, the company's CEO, explained, quote, "Our approach to proprietary mining gives us substantial control and flexibility over our destiny, and the progress on our Washington expansion is a perfect example. The 50 megawatt expansion is on schedule. The machines have already been purchased, and shipping is expected to commence this month. Once those machines are racked and the expansion is energized, our hash rate is expected to increase to about 8.7 exahash per second, giving us substantial progress toward our calendar year end goal of 16 exahash per second." End quote. Next up, Bitfarms Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker BITF, has also provided its Bitcoin production and mining operations update for the month of March. Highlights include the mining of 424 Bitcoins, a 4.8 exahash per second hash rate capacity online as of March 31st, and the sale of 394 Bitcoins for total proceeds of $9.7 million. The company's chief mining officer, Ben Gagnon, said, quote, "In March, we increased Bitcoin production 17% year over year, even with energy curtailment in Quebec and Paraguay, as well as continued network growth. In Q1 2023, Bitcoin price increased by 72%, outpacing network difficulty growth of 32.5%. As a result, industry mining revenue is up 31% dollars per TH in the quarter. Continued rising difficulty levels reflect increasing investment and bullish sentiment in the mining industry overall." End quote. Lastly for today, Bakkt Holdings Inc., which trades on the NYSE under the ticker BKKT, has completed its acquisition of Apex Crypto LLC, the latter of which is described as a turnkey platform for integrated crypto trading developed to meet the growing needs of fintechs, trading apps, neobanks, and their customers. Gavin Michael, the CEO of Bakkt, comments, quote, "This acquisition marks an exciting new chapter for Bakkt, significantly advancing portions of our crypto roadmap, helping us tap into a universe of 5.8 million crypto-enabled accounts, and further establishing Bakkt as the B2B2C crypto provider of choice. We're looking forward to welcoming the Apex Crypto team members to Bakkt and working together to accelerate our growth and strategy." End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website. This podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available. This podcast was sponsored by AppTech Payments Corp. AppTech is an innovative fintech company whose mission is to deliver a better way for businesses to provide their customers with immersive commerce experiences. For more information, visit apptechcorp.com. AppTech trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker symbol APCX.